how to be consistent on YouTube. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mashasi Tamaha and I help you with tips and tricks to grow your social media influence. If you're new here, consider subscribing and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can be consistent on YouTube. This video was inspired by that girl Asia. She helps you with tips and tricks to grow your channel, Netflix suggestions and more. So make sure to check out her channel. Her channel link will be in the description down below and in the cue card here. Right here, somewhere here. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Tip 1. Script your videos. So what do I mean when I say script your videos? Let me first give you an example of what used to happen with me. What I do is that I take my phone, which I record on, press record and sit down, start talking to the camera. And what used to happen was this. What did I want to say? Oh, no, let me not say that. Okay. Oh no, should I say that? No. What I did is that I stopped the video and I thought I was done and went to do my editing. While I was editing, I realized that what I wanted to talk about was not in the video. So I started scripting my videos and I wrote everything which I wanted to say in my notepad, which is on my phone, and it makes the filming and editing process so much easier and convenient. So right here I'm also scripting this video. I scripted this video. I'm not sure if you can see well. Yes, there you see. I script my videos. Yes, and scripting my videos really helps me a lot because I know what I want to say in the video. I never forget anything that I wanted to say in the video while I'm editing. Tip number 2, have a goal. I know this might sound stupid, but say you have a goal of uploading every Wednesday and Saturday, and Monday is recording day. Like any other person, you are tired and you don't want to film. So somewhere in the back of your brain, you will remember that you have a goal to fulfill, which is post a video on Wednesday and Saturday. And no one wants to be a failure, right? So we are most probably going to stand up and film that video just to fulfill that goal. For example, today I woke up tired and I didn't want to film at all. So what I did was like, I'm not filming today. And what happened? I remembered I have a goal to upload a video on Tuesday. So Mashati, you are doing this whether you like it or not, because we are not failures. We are not failures. So we are uploading this video on Tuesday. So get your up and film that video. So that's just how I do it. If it helps you in any way, tell me down in the comment section down below. Tip number 3, have an upload schedule. This relates to tip number 2, which is having a goal. Your goal must include an upload schedule of maybe trying to post 2 to 5 videos for a week for 6 months. One thing to remember is that the more you post, the more likely your videos are likely to appear in search. Tip number 4, batch record your content. Asia said that I could batch record my content, and I did just that, and this helped me knowing that I had multiple videos which I can post on different days. So what is batch recording content, you ask? Batch recording content is recording many videos in one day. Tip number 5, scheduling your videos. This goes with batch recording your content. If you have a lot of videos which you have recorded and edited, the only thing left to do is schedule your videos. When I first started out on YouTube, I didn't know that you can schedule your videos, and trust me, if I knew. So I found out that you can schedule your videos in April, so I started scheduling my videos, and it really helps me a lot with my consistency on YouTube. I hope these tips help you with your consistency on YouTube. Question of the day: how many videos do you upload in a week, and is that the goal amount of views? Is that the goal amount of videos which you want to upload per week? If you've watched till this point in the video, comment. Consistency is the way to go. Don't forget to check out that girl Asia. Trust me, she makes hell of good content. The best in business. Link to her channel will be down in the description down below and in the cue card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to click that subscribe and click on post notifications so you never miss an upload. I'm out. Yeah! Oh, before I forget, go down in the comment section and tell me what kind of videos, which specific video you would like to see in the future.